Hey guys, so this will be one of the crazy TikTok viral foods that we're gonna try. So we went to Walmart and got some pickles, and we got our ranch seasoning pack. So what you do is you pour the ranch seasoning pack in there, and then you gotta let it sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. So I'm gonna do this right now. We're gonna put it in the refrigerator, and we will come back tomorrow. We'll come back tomorrow. Let's see. I thought they got this thing on here. So nobody can just walk in Walmart and just take a pickle out. All right. And it's filled to the top too. You like pickles, babe?
Can I just have one?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Get the one in the middle. Get the big one in the middle.
Why?
Good. Gotta make room. That thing filled to the top. All right, so I'm opening the pack up, guys. You see, I'm opening the pack up. The ranch. I want none to. I want to go here with. I don't know about you guys, but I love ranch, so this is gonna be. And you just pour it in there. Pour it in there like that. You see it, guys? And then you just put the lid on there. Put the lid on there real tight. And then you just
shake, shake, shake.
Hey.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Hey, hey, shake your booty. Hey, go, babe.
All right, you just shake it really up like that. You see the ranch already in there. And then we're gonna put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours so it can marinate. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to taste these things. Ooh,
did you smell it when you put it in there?
No. Yeah, you can smell the ranch. Yeah, it smells so good. And then we got the, we didn't go cheap and get the great value. We got the Hidden Valley, so I know that's gonna be good. All right, so guys, I'm putting it in the refrigerator. Let's find a spot.
Just put it on the shelf.
Yeah, we'll put it up here on the shelf. All right, so we'll put it right there, and we'll get it tomorrow, 24 hours. Dang, that's tomorrow night. We might pull it out a little bit earlier, but we'll see. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
It's the Allen in Asia show. 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 And we back.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Alan.
And your girl, Asia.
And today we're here to do some of the viral food challenges that's been on TikTok. Like we said in our last video, we've been gone for a while, so we missed out on a couple different food challenges. So we're gonna do, the first one is the nature cereal. I'm pretty sure you guys seen that. I'm not sure if Lizzo started or whoever started, but that's the nature cereal. So it's basically raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, and coconut water. So we're gonna try that. And then the next one that I seen, I think it was back in January, is the Kool-Aid and watermelon. So we're gonna do that one. And then the recent one that we've been seeing is the ranch pickles. So we're gonna try that. So we'll try the nature cereal first and see how this goes. And then we'll try them in order. We'll do the watermelon next, and then the pickles.
Okay. So we got our coconut water, black raspberries. Oh, blackberries. I thought it was black raspberries, blackberries, excuse me. Blueberries and raspberries.
All right.
I'm making up a new fruit. Okay. How much are we supposed to get?
I think you're supposed to get ice too. You gotta get ice.
Oh. Here you go. I hope it's good.
Hey, you're not supposed to eat the ice. The ice just make it cold.
Okay. I'll just use my fingers.
And guys, when trying this challenge, make sure you wash your fruit first. I already washed the fruit earlier. Make sure you wash your fruit. I'd probably just like to do like maybe like 4 of each. At Asia, she did like 35 blackberries. Like
Here you go.
she's starving or something.
Well, I'm just trying to get a good taste of it.
Yeah, I'm just trying to try it for you guys to let you guys know how it tastes. I'm not trying to.
Said make cereal. Can you open this? Cause I don't want to waste it, and I feel like that's what I'm gonna do.
I'm not trying to make a meal out of it, guys. I'm just trying to let you guys know how it tastes,
Thank you.
so you guys at home can try it if you guys want to try it.
I need some color in mine since I put all that stuff in there.
Alright, so I did 4 of each. So I did 4 raspberries, 4 blackberries. I did a couple blueberries. And then I'm gonna add the coconut water. You go ahead. Coconut water, so
Oh, it came out with some coconut in it.
coconut water. Let's see if it can.
Focus on there.
Yeah, let's see. Focus on this thing. Let's focus over here. Let's focus.
It's not focusing.
Yeah, because it's focused on me.
Okay.
That's alright. But yeah, this is coconut water.
Y'all look how it looks. Ooh. And the little white stuff floating around in it, it's like coconut. It's like actual coconut. The little tiny thing. You see it? Does it smell bad?
Alright, guys.
It doesn't have a smell to it. Oh, never mind. It do. I'm scared.
And some people, they do pomegranate seeds, but we went to Food Line and Walmart and we cannot find them. Probably gotta go like to Publix or something.
Yeah.
Alright, make sure you get a little bit of everything. Asia.
I did.
Where your blackberry at?
Oh, right here.
Make sure you get enough juice.
I
Alright, you ready?
did.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. What do you think? You like it? You like it?
No, I don't.
Or
It tastes weird.
what it tastes like?
It's not what it's all crapped up. It don't have like a distinct taste to it.
What it tastes like to you?
It's just weird.
Maybe it's the
I don't know. Maybe it's the coconut water.
maybe the pomegranate seeds make it better. You like it? You fixed all that, you gotta eat it, buddy.
I don't got y'all.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
We don't waste no food around here.
This is going right in the trash. This is nasty.
What it tastes like?
This, I think, is because it's in coconut water. Because it don't have no taste to it. The coconut water. But maybe it don't have a taste to it because you tasting all these berries.
Mm.
It's like all the flavors are canceled out when you add the coconut water.
Alright.
That's cool and all.
Alright, so for the next one, guys, we're gonna do the watermelon. I guess it's called the watermelon challenge. So with this, you get, of course, you get watermelon, of course. We bought this yesterday from Walmart. And you will pour the juice out, Asia. So what you do is you get your watermelon. We got Kool-Aid, so we get your watermelon, get a pack of Kool-Aid. We got the grape flavored Kool-Aid. And then you get a tablespoon of sugar. So what you do is open your pack of Kool-Aid, and I'm not sure why, but Walmart last night, all we seen is grape and
blue raspberry.
And I'm like, man, come on, man, that's all we got. So you pour your Kool-Aid over your watermelon.
Oh my gosh.
Pour the whole pack on there, guys. And then
that smells good.
yeah, it's supposed to taste like candy. And then you pour your sugar on there.
Who came up with this stuff?
Somebody on TikTok. And then I'll let you do the honors, and then you shake it up.
Okay, I'm gonna shake it up in a napkin.
Shake it real good.
Look at it, y'all.
Let me see. Open it for them so they can see how it looks.
This smells so weird.
You see that? Yeah, get the camera for them.
Okay.
That's like a sugar got it like hard or something.
I do.
So alright, you ready to try this?
Oh my gosh. Look like they've been on the grill all day.
I bet it can be good. They say it's supposed to taste like candy. You ready?
This look extra sweet.
You ready?
My mind looks so black.
I don't know.
Okay.
That same thing my mama said when I was born.
Okay, chocolate drop.
Alright, ready? Alright.
Oh, sorry.
Cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Tastes like Jolly Rancher.
Yeah, like a purple Jolly Rancher.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, do taste like a Jolly Rancher. You get no one, bad boy.
Get that one.
This one?
Yeah.
Wow.
You taste all the flavor in it. So the darker it is, the more flavor it got.
Well, thank you.
Black and berry, sweet and juice.
Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, it do taste like a purple Jolly Rancher or something.
Yeah.
They probably make this. They probably use the same stuff to make Jolly Ranchers.
But it's really sweet though.
Yeah, can't eat too many.
Mm-mm.
My last one right here.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm done with that. So if you make this, make sure you got like some water, something to wash it down with, because it is really sweet. Maybe it's because it's in a small container and you can't spread it out. Couldn't spread out the sugar, but
Yeah.
it is really sweet though. So
All right, let's move on to the next one.
okay.
Put it right there. Keep the next one right here.
So next up we got the pickles. Y'all, I really like pickles, so I hope that this tastes good. I don't know if I'm gonna keep doing it, but if it's good, I might just have a new snack.
And I really like ranch, so shake this bad boy up. All that juice stuff at the bottom.
So this been sitting for about
23 hours.
Yeah.
We put it in there yesterday at 9. It's 8:33 right now, so
Almost 24 hours.
yeah, almost 24 hours. We couldn't wait no more. We put it right here.
You had to know. We just had to know. Y'all, you look so weird. Let me show y'all side view. Y'all see all the ranch floating around in there?
All right, here you go. Go ahead. Wash your taste.
Thank you.
Taste out your mouth before you. All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Ain't no Pickles had 0 calories.
You don't no more. Alright, you want to get it with the fork, or you want to just get it?
Just get one.
Alright, you go ahead. You go, bro. Get a big one. Try a big one.
Why you want me to get the big one? Maybe get the big one yesterday.
Alright, get mine.
Okay.
This yeah, you can just go on top of that. That right there.
They smell good.
Yeah, they do. Alright. I'm gonna go out the way so y'all can see us. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Hold on, wait a minute now. Baby, your girl done got a new snack.
Yeah.
Yo, this tastes good. Who came up with this? I need you. Listen, I'm about to eat this whole jar.
Pretty good now. That's pretty good right there.
The taste of the ranch is just infused in the pickle. So when you bite into it, you get the taste of the pickle, and then the ranch come right behind it. So you know.
Yeah, it's like having a fried pickle and ranch without frying the pickle.
Baby,
Let me see.
go ahead and get another one now.
See if I can find a small one.
Baby, these good. That small enough?
Yeah. They're pretty good.
This one ain't no lie, y'all. This really good. I can get down with this one.
That's your favorite one?
The other one, I can't get down with it. Other than the Kool-Aid watermelon. Now that's good. But this right here, take the cake.
Alright guys, so as you see, we tried the challenges out and we came to a conclusion that the ranch pickle is our favorite. But you guys try all of them out and you let us know in the comment which one is your favorite if you haven't tried it already.
The ranch pickle, man.
All these different combinations are gonna make my stomach hurt.
Yeah, you right.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna eat no more.
But yeah. But yeah, guys, that's us trying the viral TikTok food challenges that we've seen. That was only 3. There's so many on TikTok.
Yeah, it's so many. But I'm glad that we picked these 3. Because probably the other ones probably make my stomach hurt.
Yeah. If you guys tried any of these challenges or anything, let us know which ones you tried. If you have any suggestions for us to try different ones, just let us know in the comment and we'll try them out. But that concludes this video. We'll see you guys next week. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and comment down below. And we'll see you guys next week.
Peace.